Hello YouTube, Crace Repairs here. Today we're going to go over using the powder coat gun. Alright, in my previous videos I talked about this hot coat gun from Eastwood. It's an older model. I believe that they don't sell it anymore. But what we're going to do is we're going to try it on this chain guard. Alright, this is a chain guard from Go Power Sports. It's going to go on a mini bike, the Little Rascal mini bike we're building. Okay. So we're going to do this in gloss black. I already wiped it down with acetone and a tack cloth. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray the powder. And you can see how easy it is with this machine. Just going to hit the ground connector on it. I'll hold it out of the way. And I'm going to start spraying. Go to the back side here. Doesn't seem like I'm getting a good connection here. Maybe because of this coat hanger that I'm using. I'll try closer. Let's try it directly to the piece. Now it's working. Go back onto this side. This. See if we can go back over here. Touch it to the back here where nobody's going to see. Okay. Now we're going to put the piece in the oven and let it bake 400 degrees, 10 minutes. Okay, we're back in the oven. Oops. Forgot to remove the bottom grate. Okay, now we'll bake for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check out our part in the powder coat oven. Not bad, not bad. Let's take it out. Put my gloves on here. Let's see how we did. Hot. All right. Not bad. Not bad. All right. It's pretty good. Got some spots over here that kind of crinkled, but we'll let it cool off and and then I'll put a clear coat over it, and maybe that'll help it look better. So as you can see, one thing I made a mistake on is I used a piece of hanger, wire hanger, and I'm guessing that the wire hanger has got a coating on it, so it wouldn't ground really good to give me a good ground here. So I'm gonna have to make a note for the future to not do that again. So I'm gonna have to use my mechanics wire. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you guys next week. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I put out a new video, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.